seen a lot of things about Python programming. Today I will tell you how to handle a file in Python. Okay, because file handling is very important concept in Python. Okay, how to open a file, how to write it, how to append in that text file. It can be a binary file instead of a text file. Okay, so in that case, how to handle it, I will tell you all this in today's video. Let's go to the computer screen and let's get started.
Like I am telling you, I will be first of all tell you to file IQ, and first of all I will be telling you what are how to opening a file. Like first of all I will tell you Python provides several ways to manipulate files. Today we will discuss how to handle files in Python. Okay, so opening a file. Before we can perform any operation on a file, we must first open Python provide the open function. To open a file, it takes two arguments: the name of the file and the mode in which the file should be opened. The mode can be F for reading, W or for writing, or A for appending. And here's an example of how to open a file for reading. Here's an example. First of all, here you can write like f/open, and into the open you will define like that, and here you can write like myfile.txt, and whenever you will write like that, and what you will do, you will be a comma here, and here you can write like R, and here you can run it. So here you will be run it. So it is not coming in nothing, because here first of all you can write like print, and print into the print you will define like hello. Here you can define like print, and here we can write like hello, my name is Mirza Ryan Beg. I am 18 years old. I like to eat sushi. My favorite color is blue. And now when you will be running that, okay, so here is coming like that, and when you will be erase that, and you will be running. So there are also coming. By default, the open function returns a file object that can be used to read from or write to the file depending on the mode. So I hope you will know what are our opening file. Okay. Here, and this ripple link into my description. Okay, and it's the modes file. There are the various modes. So now, like I tell you, what are modes file? There are the various modes in which we can open the files. Read this mode first is the read. The mode of read will help to the mode open the file for reading only, and give only, and give a okay, so only, and give an error if the file does not exist. This is the default mode if no mode is passed as parameter. Write W. This mode opens the file for writing only, and create a new file if the file does not exist. Third is append A. This mode open the file for appending only, and creates a new file if the file does not exist. Fourth is a create X. This mode creates a file and give an error if the file already exists. 5 is the text. Apart from these modes, we also need to specify how the file must be handled. The mode is used to handle text file. I refer to the text mode. There is no difference between R and RT or W and WT signs. Text mode is the default. The default mode is R, open for reading text synonym, or RT binary. B, used to 6 is the binary. Used to handle a binary file like images, PDF, and etc. etc. And now let's learn reading from file. Once we have a file object subject, we can use various methods to read from this file. The read method reads the entire content of the file and returns it as string. Okay, it is a reading from file. It's called the reading from file. So here you can write like slash open and my file dot txt, and here you can write like comma r, and here you can write like r, and whenever you write like r, you will define like content, and here you can write like content, and here we can tell here my work is done. And now what we can do, here we can go and copy it and paste it. And now what we can do will be write like run it. So it is coming like that. Hello world, hello world, hello world, hello world, and it is coming like that. It is very enjoyable. It is reading from file. It's called the reading from file. Okay, it's called the reading from file. Like you will be write like that. So it is coming like hello world, hello world. It is a reading from file. Okay. So now writing to a file. Both are writing to a file. I will be telling you reading from a file. I will tell you opening a file. I will be telling you models in file. So now let's learn both the writing to file. To write to a file, we first need to open it in write mode. Like first of all, you will define like f/open should be my file.txt and comma here in W. Like you will be run it. So here we can use to write method to write to the file. Okay, it is very common thing. Like I hope you will be know. And now here is one more example. You will be copy it and I will be pasted. Like I will be whenever you will be write like that, and now we will be run it. So there are coming like the here we can run. So it is nothing will be coming here. You can see it. Keep in the mind that writing to a file will overwrite its content. If you want to append to file instead of overwriting it, you can open it append model. Okay, you know that. I hope you do. And whenever you will paste it there, so here nothing will be done. Close. What are the closing file? It is important to close a file after you are done with it. This releases the resources used by the file and allows other programs to access it. To close a file, you can use the close method. Okay, like that is the one close method, and you will be copy it and paste it, and it will be close your method. It is your method should be closed easily because there are the close method. It will be done. Okay, put it here. So the wait statement. What are the wait statement? This is the last. And let's repeat. You can use the wait statement to automatically close this file after you are done with it. And like I will be copy it and I will be paste it, and we can run it. So it will be done with it. So now I hope you will understand, and I tell you what are file IQ in how to handle titles in Python. Like I tell you here in Python programming language. So I hope you will enjoy this class. Enjoy, like that video, share friends, or subscribe to my channel. I will meet you next class and next very amazing class of Python or my Python. Okay, of Python. So now I will meet you next class and next very amazing class, and go to my Facebook page and follow me, and go to my Instagram and follow me, and go to my Twitter and follow me, and I will be telling you one more thing else. You will be go here, you will be write like here code with PK, and here you will be open it and playlist, and here you will be open my playlist, and please bookmark my playlist and access my playlist and see all videos. Okay, so now we will be completing half century like 50. Okay, completing. Okay, so now I will meet you next class and next very amazing class. For today, goodbye.